Hi! In this video we'll be looking at modal verbs. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary or helper verb. They're usually used in front of a main verb to help to alter its meaning. Let's take a look at some examples of modal verbs. Might, must, can, could, may, should, would, ought, shall, and have to. Modal verbs can be used to show possibility, or how likely or unlikely an action is. I might share these jam tarts with you. I will share these jam tarts with you. Modal verbs can also be used with the word not. I will not share these jam tarts with you. Sometimes modal verbs can be used to show how certain or uncertain an action is. It will stop raining soon. It may stop raining soon. Modal verbs can also express how obligated someone is to do something. You must wear a coat today. You have to wear a coat today. Finally, modal verbs can be used to show someone or something's ability to perform an action. I can crochet quickly. I cannot crochet quickly. Let's recap. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helper verbs. They're usually used in front of a main verb and can show possibility, certainty, obligation, or ability. Let's take a look at our first question. Here you're being asked to circle the modal verb in the sentence. The concerned duck hoped that the missing duckling would return quickly. Which word is being used before a main verb and is showing possibility, certainty, obligation, or ability? Well done if you said would. The modal verb would is being used to show the possibility of the duckling returning. In this next question, you're being asked to add a modal verb to the sentence to show that sticking their tongue out is not something that a crocodile can do. Let's take a look at the sentence. A crocodile stick out its tongue. This modal verb will need to express ability. Specifically, the ability of a crocodile to stick out its tongue. Which modal verb correctly completes this sentence? Pause the video now and have a go. Well done if you said cannot. The sentence, a crocodile cannot stick out its tongue, tells us that a crocodile is not able to stick its tongue out. For the final question, you're being asked to explain how the modal verb changes the meaning of the second sentence. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just want to say it out loud. Pause the video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great, let's take a look at the two sentences. Sentence 1. Rahul and his brother go to the theme park with their granddad. Sentence 2. Rahul and his brother might go to the theme park with their granddad. How has the modal verb might changed the meaning of the second sentence? The answer is that the modal verb has been used to indicate possibility or uncertainty. For example, you might have said, in the second sentence, they are not definitely going to the theme park. I hope you found this video useful to help you learn more about modal verbs. If you'd like some more English support, we've got lots more videos like this one available on the Twinkl website.